CECs in charge of culture and trade docket from various counties.
The top sentence. If Kenya strived for only 0.5% of that huge global market, we have noticed, recognized, and harnessed the might of indigenous knowledge for their own good.
That we all aspire to get to, and therefore I think
The overall objective of the project was to advance protection, promotion, and valorization, that is, value addition, of Kenya's indigenous knowledge intellectual assets. Specifically, the project implemented Section 8, Subsection 3 of TK and CE Act 2016, amended in 2018, that obligates the national government to establish mechanisms for a digital repository for indigenous knowledge and cultural expressions that are documented and registered by county governments.
I therefore challenge the National Planning Committee to ensure that the counties are adequately supported to showcase clear investment-ready products. I also want to encourage the counties not to be just participants, but to be co-owners of this agenda.
Globally, it's a huge industry, and it's revealed in many different ways. Go to any supermarket in most of our towns in this country. Go even to the grassroots towns. You are going to find these products there. But the sad thing is, those products are from outside.